ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। काण्व शाखीय शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 46 घट भाष्य। We just completed Ghata Bhashya. Now we are seeing the mantra. First mantra of Dvitiya Brahmana. Mrutyuna idam avrutam asit. That line. So the question was asked. Mrityu Shabda is rudha in death. What we call as Nasha. Gauna artha of Mrityu can be Mrityu Devata. Mrityu is never used as something which is you are referring to as that by which something was covered in the beginning of creation. Devata also comes after the creation. So Akshepa was created. Kim Lakshanena, from that last line on that page in Bhashya. Kin Lakshanena Mrutyuna Avrutam iti ata aha. Kim Lakshanena. Kim Lakshanena is Bahu. Kim Lakshana is Bahuvrihi Samasa. Kaha Lakshanam Yasya Tat Kim Lakshanam. In this way, Samasa will be formed. Kaha Lakshanam will become Kim Lakshanam. So, such kind of Samasa is also there. What is that by which this is covered? So, you say Mrityu. So, what is the Lakshana of that Mrityu? Kim Lakshanena Mrityuna. Iti ataha Ashanayaya. Ashanayaya. Mrityu is nothing but Ashanaya. Ashanayaya by that. Now what is Ashanaya? Ashitum Ichha Ashanaya. In this, there is a sutra. Ashanaya, Udanya and Dhanaya. Ashanaya, Udanya, Dhanaya. So the samas will become Ashanaya, Udanya, Dhanayaha. Bubhuksha, Pipasa, Gardheshu. Ashanaya is nothing but Bubhuksha. So for Bubhuksha, Ashanaya Shabda Prayoga happens. Bubhuksha is Vyakarana Siddha. Right? Bhoktum Ichha. That Shabda can, instead of that, Ashanaya is used according to this sutra. Pipasa is also Vyakarana Siddha. Patum Ichha. Udanya is alternative. In Chandogya 6th chapter, we have seen both these words. Ashanaya, Udanya, Tattvamasi Prakaranam. And third one is Gardha, Gardha Gridhi. In Ishavasya, that Gridhim. Gridhi means greed. So that is used for Dhana. Dhanaya. So Sutra number is 7434. You note down the number and you look at it later. 7434. Ashitum Ichha Ashanaya. Saiva Mrityor Lakshanam. दिस इज द लक्षणम ऑफ मृत्यु. तया लक्षितेन मृत्युना अशनायया. तया लक्षितेन, तया अशनायया, मृत्युना लक्षितेन आवृतम आसीत्. Now what is the lakshana of mrityu? See in Tika, Tikakar gives that. Third line from the bottom. Anabhivyakta nama rupam adhyakshadi ayogyam apanchikrita panchamahabhuta avastha atiriktam maya rupam sabhasam mrityuhu ityuchyate. The one where nama and rupa are anabhivyakta, unmanifest. Nama rupa, anabhivyakta nama rupam. How will you do the samasa? If you say anabhivyakta nama rupa, there are two padas. So in first pada, you have to put some sub pratyaya. Anabhivyaktani nama rupani yasya tat anabhivyakta nama rupam. Anabhivyaktani nama rupani yasya. Adhyakshadi ayogyam. Adhyakshadi ayogyam means
प्रत्यक्षादि अयोग्य.
प्रत्यक्षादि अयोग्यम. प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाण, उपमान प्रमाण इत्यादि कैन नॉट रिवील इट. प्रत्यक्षादि अयोग्यम. आपको वो स्टूल चाहिए तो वो ऊपर आ जाएगा. स्वामी जी वो स्टूल पीछे से इनको दो. अनभिव्यक्त नाम रूपम अध्यक्षादि अयोग्यम अपंचीकृत पंचमहाभूत अवस्था अतिरिक्तम. अपंचीकृत पंचमहाभूत अवस्था is what? सूक्ष्म अवस्था. अपंचीकृत पंचमहाभूत अवस्था. तद अतिरिक्तम. It is beyond that. Maya rupam sabhasam. Sabhasa maya means what we call as, here it is referred as Hiranyagarbha. If you see Tippani number 7, Chidadhishthanam is given. That is for Sabhasam. 19 number Tippani says it is Hiranyagarbha. So here Mrityu is Avantara Karana. Means Anyat Karana means Avantara Karana, Hiranyagarbha. Or you can take it as Ishvara. In Vedas, Hiranyagarbha Shabda Prayoga is there, and that is the Prakaranam right now. Because we are still in this Upasana Prakaranam until we come to Chaturtha Brahmana. So first, second and third all are within Upasana. Sabhasam, Maya Rupam Sabhasam. It is Maya Rupam Avyaktam, and in that Abhasa is always there. नहि सर्वं कार्यम अवांतर कारणात् उत्पत्तुम अर्हति इति अभिप्रेत्याह. All karya cannot come from avantar karana. Avantar karana is Hiranyagarbha. उत्पत्तुम अर्हति इति अभिप्रेत्याह अत आह इति. अत आह अशनायया अशितुम इच्छा इत्यादि. कथम यथोक्तो मृत्युः अशनायया सॉरी हाँ कथम यथोक्तो मृत्युः अशनायया लक्ष्यते. This mrityu, why do you indicate it by the word ashanaya? Mrityuna ashanayaya. Why that word is used? Nahi मूल कारणस्य अशनायादि मत्वम. मूल कारण is Shuddha Chaitanya. If you take, it doesn't have ashana pipasa. So मूल कारण will not have ashanadi. Therefore, this ashanaya, if you give, it is definitely avantar karanam, not moola karanam. It is something lesser. Because moola karana is free from ashana pipasa ityadi. Nahi moola karanasya ashanayadi matvam. Ashanaya pipase pranasya iti sthitehe. Ashana pipasa, they are the dharma of prana. Iti sthitehe. Iti shankate. So this shanka is done now. इसको एक कम कर दो दोनों को. भाष्य कथम अशनाया मृत्यु इति. How ashanaya is mrityu? This is the question. Uchyate in tika. मूल कारणस्यैव सूत्रत्वं प्राप्तस्य सर्व संहर्तृत्वान् मृत्युत्वे सति वाक्य शेषोपपत्तिः इति परिहरति. मूल कारणस्य एव सूत्रत्वं प्राप्तस्य. मूल कारण सूत्र means hiranyagarbha. Moola karanasyaiva sutratvam. So that moola karana itself, if it is sutra, sarva samhartritvat mrityave sati. If that is sarva samharta, it is mrityu. Vakya sheshopapattihi iti pariharati. In 10th tippani number 10. Sarva samhartritvam. This topic will come in Samvarga Vidya. That is given in 10 number. Sarva samhartritvad iti adhyatmam vagadinam adhidaivam cha agnyadinam. Vagadi which are adhyatma and agnyadi which are adhidaiva. All of them, their samharta is prana. Everything merges into prana. But remember, prana is not ultimate because prana also has to go. That's why it is called avantar karana. सर्वेषां संवर्ग विद्योक्तानां संहर्तृत्वात्. It is samhara karta. Samhartru means samhara karta. Who? Prana. Where it is given in Samvarga Vidya. Prana, because in individual we say all indriyas, their devatas. Devatas will go to their moolasthana. Indriyas will go in prana. Then prana is the final one which is going to exit. Right? That is the, so they say inke pran nikal gaye, whatever. So that is for individual, adhyatma. And in samashti, so Prithvi will merge into Jala, in Teja, which will go in Vayu. Akasha is anyway unmanifest. So up to all manifest resolution, Laya will happen in Vayu. Vayu. In Bhashya Uchyate. Ashanaya hi mrityuhu. This Ashanaya itself is mrityu. Why? He will explain. He shabdena prasiddham hetum avadhyodayati. Because for very well known reason. Prasiddha hetu. What is that prasiddha hetu? So Tikakar says prasiddham eva prakatayati. Now he reveals what is prasiddha. यो हि अशितुम इच्छति सो अशनाया नंतरम एव हंति जंतून. यो हि अशितुम इच्छति, whoever is interested in any bhoga, then ashanaya, first ashana, hunger has to be there, desire to eat, then he will kill the whatever being, anything. Jantun hanti. Hananam doesn't mean like killing only, because hananam can also mean hanti han dhatu. Its independent existence is eliminated. Independent in vyavahara. Like a fruit is there, it is independently existing. When you eat it, separately it is not available. That is called its hananam. Its satta is gone. You're taking away its satta. Satta from vyavaharik standpoint, not paramarthik. Tad anni bhavanam. Ramana Maharshi ji has used that word.
आत्मैव दृश्य तदनि भवन् स्वयं स्वयं तु तदनि भवनं
Anni bhavanam.
स्वयं
That. So I become food for Bhagavan, then I lose my individuality. Tena in Tika, in Bhashya, Tena asau ashanayaya lakshyate. Because of this reason, asau Hiranyagarbha or prana ashanaya lakshyate. मृत्युः इति अशनाया ही इत्याह. मृत्यु is अशनाया ही in टीका. तथापि प्रसिद्धं मृत्युम हित्वा कथम हिरण्यगर्भोपादानम अतः. But still, why you are letting go of the prasiddha artha of mrityu and you are taking it as Hiranyagarbha upadanam means Hiranyagarbhasya upadanam means grahanam. Here upadana is not upadanaka. Hiranyagarbhasya grahanam. Why are you taking mrityu as Hiranyagarbha? Why you are not taking mrityu as mrityu? Ataha mrityum hitva. Hitva, what is the dhatu? Oha, tyage. And in that ha, he has come, right? Ohak means mool dhatu is ha, but the shabda has become he. For that there is a sutra. Jahatescha kitva prayog has happened. 7443. Sutra number 7443. Jahatescha tvi. So jahati ha dhatu when it is there, in that hitva shabda prayoga, tva pratyaya if it is there, जहाते है अंगस्य ही इति अयम आदेशो भवति त्वा प्रत्यय परतः हित्वा. In भाष्य बुद्ध्यात्मनो अशनाया धर्म इति स एष बुद्ध्यवस्थो हिरण्यगर्भो मृत्युः इत्युच्यते। बुद्ध्यात्मनो अशनाया धर्म, बुद्ध्यात्मा मीन्स सूक्ष्म शरीर, बट समष्टि, समष्टि बुद्धि, थर्ड नंबर टिप्पणी मार्क इट, समष्टि बुद्धि तादात्म्यापन्नस्य सूत्रात्मनः, समष्टि बुद्धि तादात्म्यापन्न इज हिरण्यगर्भ, so buddhyatma means hiranyagarbha. Of that hiranyagarbha, ashanaya is its dharma, because everything will go. Hiranyagarbha means you take Brahma, so in Brahma everything merges. This is very well known in Purana, etc. Here in Veda same idea is given. इति सह एष बुद्ध्यवस्थो हिरण्यगर्भो मृत्युः इत्युच्यते. This buddhi avastha is hiranyagarbha. This is called mrityu. Now you imagine, without this kind of bhashya and all this discussion, mrityuna eva idam avrutam asi, then only mantra, how we will understand mrityu refers to hiranyagarbha. Uktam hetu kritva, hetum kritva, sorry, uktam हेतुं कृत्वा फलितम् आह इति सः इति सः एषः हिरण्यगर्भः. ननु न तेन जगदाव्रियते, मूलकारणेन एव तदावरणात् तत् कथं वाक्योपक्रमो उपपत्तिः, वाक्योपक्रमोपपत्तिः अत आह. Purvapakshi says, by that Jagat is not covered. Nanu na tena Jagad avriyate. Then Mula Karanena eva tad avranat. Because avranam will be because of Mula Karanam, not this Avantara Karanam. Avantara Karanena na avriyate. Tat katham Vakya Upakrama Upapattihi. Then how do you start with this Vakya Upakrama? Because the Vakya begins with Mrityuna eva idam avrutam asit. There itself, if you interpret this Mrityu as Hiranyagarbha, then everything else you will say, all this belongs to Hiranyagarbha. So somebody wants to object it. Because Upakrama, Upasamhara will decide what is the topic. So if you say this is Hiranyagarbha, in the beginning itself, all statements will lead to Hiranyagarbha. Ataha tena mrityuna idam karyam avrutam asit. So by that, idam karyam is covered. If karyam is covered, it will be covered by its karanam. Like ghata, if it is there in the lump form, if mrittika is in lump form, then that mrittika is hiding the ghata. Then you remove unwanted mrittika, it will become ghata. Or in a rock, some shila, some statue is there, which is covering that, whatever your murti, you remove unnecessary things, you will get what you need. So, mrityuna idam karyam avrutam asit. Yatha, he gives drishtanta, पिंडावस्थया मृदा घटादय आवृताः स्युः इति तद्वत्. Just when mrit is in pindavastha, pindavasthaya mrida. Mrida is which vibhakti? Tritiya. Mrida. Pindavasthaya is given. Mrit, which is in pindavastha. Pindavasthaya mrida. Ghatadaya avrataha syuh. Karyam is covered. Karyani. Ghatadaya avrataha syuh. Iti tadvat. In Tika. Nanu हिरण्यगर्भे प्रकृते कथम सृष्टरि नपुंसक प्रयोगः तत्राह. Now, the next sentence in the mantra, if you see, mantra is on page 28. So those who are referring to book also, every now and then, if you have to go back, you put some bookmark there. And this you will have to do for throughout Brahadaranyaka, unless you have memorized the mantras. So when we are in the Bhashya Tika after few pages, always, because we don't know what is the mantra. These mantras are not like, Isha Kena, that something you can easily remember, and Bhashya lasts maximum 2 pages. Here 25 pages, Bhashya is going on, and then we'll refer to mantra which is there all the way in the beginning. So if at least some popular mantras, popular means oft quoted mantras, mantras on which there is some tattva vichara done, certain phrases also, if you are becoming familiar, it will be easy. So if you see in the mantra, Ashanaya hi mrityuhu, then tan mano akuruta. So this is what is given in Tika also, tan mano akuruta. Sorry, in Bhashya, tan mano akuruta. So Tikakar is creating means Purvapaksha has a question in Tika. Nanu Hiranyagarbhe prakrite. Katham srashtari. So Hiranyagarbha is the Karanam. Hiranyagarbha is Pullinga. Then srashtari katham napunsaka prayogaha. Tan mano akuruta. Tat, tan means tat. Tat manaha akuruta. You should say saha manaha akuruta. Hiranyagarbha created the mind. So tan mana, how do you say tan? Tika in Bhashya. Tad iti manaso nirdeshaha. Underline if you want. Tan manaha means that mind. Tad is not referring to creator, srashta. Tad is karmani. What is the karma of creation is this mind. So tan manaha. Saha tan mano akuruta. That saha is not given in the mantra. So that you have to understand. Taditi manaso nirdesha. Bhashyakar is amazing. You can understand with this kind of bhashya how he understands and explains. Otherwise, tan manaha apuruta. So how anybody will know what it is referring to?
Swamiji, Saha is Hiranyagarbha here? Saha will be Hiranyagarbha.
That is given in the next line in bhashya. You see, saha prakrito mrityuhu vakshyamana karya sisrukshaya तत्कार्यालोचन क्षमम मनः शब्दवाच्यम संकल्पादि लक्षणम अंतःकरणम अकुरुत कृतवान. वाक्य इज तन मनो अकुरुत. So you have to supply saha. Saha tan mano akuruta. Now what is that saha? He says. So in Tika, the pratika is given Vakyartham adhuna kathayati. So that Vakyartha, tan mano akuruta, meaning of this sentence is being explained by Bhashyakar. So what is happening? First just understand. First sentence said, there was nothing. Naiveha kinchanam agre asit. Right? There was nothing. Then it was said, so somebody thought Karya was not there, Karana was not there. Shunya. Somebody said, Karana is there, but Karya is not there. Siddhanti explained, no, Karana is also there, Karyam is also there. How do you say this? Because you see the second line. Second line of the mantra says, Mrutyuna. So something is there. Eva idam avratam asit. So Avritam, yad avarakam. Both are there. Both have to exist. Avrita vastu, avaraka, the avaranam. Both have to exist. That pratipadanam was done. Now we have to understand what is the shabdartha of this mrityu. What is this mrityu? So Acharya explained, this is Hiranyagarbha. By Hiranyagarbha, all karya is covered, because before utpatti, everything, all karyas are one with karana. Nothing is distinct. And that karana has to be that karana which is existing before any karya is manifest. That's why it was given that lakshana of mrityu as anabhivyakta. Anabhivyakta means avyakrita. Anabhivyakta nama rupam. Adhyakshadi ayogyam. All pratyakshadi pramanas are not functioning there. So that was explained. Now, before the manifestation begins, from that Hiranyagarbha, mind has to express first. At individual level, we say ahankara. Like when I am sleeping, everything is unmanifest. Now I wake up. So first is ahankara or manaha, that karana. Mana is the karana, but mana karanavan, that one who has, he wakes up. And then only all further manifestations will be expressing. So now what he is going to show is Hiranyagarbha is there. From Hiranyagarbha through mind, Virat will come. Samashti. And then that Hiranyagarbha is Ashanaya, is of the nature of consuming. So it will swallow that Sthula Prapancha. So Sthula Prapancha's laya always happens in Sukshma Prapancha. So Virat will be swallowed by Hiranyagarbha. This is the Prakriya. Because he is Mrityu. Mrityu's job is this only. Saha Prakrito Mrityuhu. Vakshamana Karya Sisrikshaya. Whatever karyam that is going to happen, it has the desire to create. Sisriksha. Srashtum Icha. Sisriksha. Sisrikshaya Tat Karya Alochana Kshamam. The one who has to have clear idea of what that karyam is going to be. Like how Kulala, pot maker, will think, okay, this is what I want to make. That all creation has to first come in mind. Then it will become external reality. So entire Srishti has to be there in mind. So who will do this alochanam, that karana which is capable of doing? Karya alochana kshamam manashabda vachyam, which is referred by mind. Manashabda vachyam. Sankalpadi lakshanam. Sankalpa vikalpa adi, but samashti level. Antakaranam akuruta kritavan. He created this antakaranam. Bhuta Srishti Tika. Now, I hope I don't have to go on saying Tika Bhashya. You know when to go. At the most, you see the next line in Tika. If I am not reading that, then you go and see in Bhashya. There is Parishesha Nyaya is there. भूत सृष्टि अतिरेकेण भौतिकस्य मनसः सृष्टिः अयुक्ता इति मत्वा पृच्छति. Other than bhuta srishti, mind is bhautika srishti. Bhautika means that which is created from bhuta. Bhutasya ayam or idam, bhautikam. That which is product of pancha mahabhuta, sukshma pancha mahabhuta, will be called bhautikam. So bhuta srishti in srishti prakriya, like in Tattvavad, etc. Bhuta srishti, bhautika srishti. This is how the sequence is. So here also, Purva Pakshi is asking, without Bhuta Srishti, question, without Bhuta Srishti, how Bhautika Srishti You didn't explain creation and suddenly you said mind is created. भौतिकस्य मनसः सृष्टिः अयुक्ता इति मत्वा पृच्छति. केन अभिप्रायेण मनो अकरोत् इति. With which abhipraya means thinking what he created the mind. How did he create the mind basically? अपंचीकृतानां भूतानां हिरण्यगर्भ देह भूतानां प्रागेव लब्धात्मकत्वात् तेभ्यो मनो व्यक्ति ही अविरुद्धा इति मन्वानो ब्रूते. ब्रूते सिद्धांति. अपंचीकृतानां भूतानां हिरण्यगर्भ देह भूतानां. अपंचीकृत पंचमहाभूत which forms hiranyagarbha sharira, they are already there because hiranyagarbha is there. So bhuta srishti explanation is not given, is taken for granted. अपंचीकृतानां भूतानां हिरण्यगर्भ देह भूतानां प्राक एव लब्धात्मकत्वात्. लब्धात्मकत्वम means they are prapta. Labdho, labdha atma. Atma means swarupam. So they have already gained their swarupam. Their existence is already available. Labdhatmakatvam. Labdhatmakatvat tebhyo mano vyaktihi aviruddha. Tebhyaha kebhyaha
पंचमहाभूत
what is online somebody said something.
पंचमहाभूतेभ्यः
But panchikritebhya or apanchikritebhya?
अपंचीकृत
Correct. Apanchikritebhya bhutebhya. So I think this line is, it comes in some Prakarana Grantha. From that, Manovyakti is aviruddha. There is no contradiction. Iti manvanaha, thinking this, brute, uchyate. Atmanvi, Atmanvi, Atmavan, Syam, Bhaveyam. Atmanvi Syam. So the mantra says, may I become Atmanvi. Atmanvi Syam. Atmanvi Syam. Atmanvi means Atmavan. Syam means Bhaveyam. May I become Atmavan, Atmavala. So now obviously the question will be, Atma is there for everybody. What is this Atmanvi Syam? Tika. Swatmavattvasya swabhavikatvat na tad ashamsaniyam. Swatmavatva. Everybody has one's own Atma. Everybody, not in Vedanta, in general, Atma Shabda Prayoga can be done in this way. Everybody has Atma, so everybody is Atmavan. Swabhavikatva. Na tad ashansaniyam. Ashansa means that prarthana or that desire is not required. Iti ashankya vakyartham aha. Aham anena atmana means manasa, manasvi syam iti abhipraya. Atmanvi syam means manasvi syam. Atmavan hona means having mind, manasvi syam iti abhipraya. Now I will have mind. With mind, I will do creation. Tika. Manaso vyaktasya upayogam aha. Now mind is vyakta. So now some use is going to be there of this. Manaso vyaktasya upayogam aha. Sa prajapati riti. Saha prajapati hi abhivyakten manasa samanaskaha san archan archayan pujayan atmanameva kritartho asmi iti acharat charanam akarot. Sa prajapati hi, now that prajapati Hiranyagarbha, saha, saha means the one who has this desire for creation, sisruksha, the one who has abhivyaktena manasa, with his manifest mind. Now he has become samanaskaha. Samanaskaha. Samanaska, what is the vigraha? Manasasaha. Samanaskaha. Samanaskaha, but there is a sutra for that. Tena saha iti tulya yoge. Tena saheti tulya yoge. So, tena saha, tena is tritiya. So, manasa saha, then it will become samanaskaha in this way. Samanaskaha san. So, he is now samanaskaha, means one with mind. Hiranyagarbha. Samanaskaha san, archan, archan, archayan. And each pratyay you have to supply. Archayan, pujayan. Atmanam eva kritartho asmi iti acharat charanam akarot. I am kritartha. In this way, he is doing this. So, kritartha means I am capable now. So, he is now feeling good that I am capable. That feeling good is one's own archana and puja. Archayan, pujayan. So archana, pujanam is not outside. It is in this way that now I am ready. Now I am capable. Like anything, if you are ready for it, somebody learns how to drive. I said, yes, I am now ready. Somebody wants to take sannyasa. Yes, I am ready. So like that, whatever you have, if you feel that I am capable, then you say yes. Kritartho asmi. Iti acharat charanam akarot. Nanu तैत्तिरीयकाणाम आकाशादि सृष्टिरुच्यते तत्कथम इह. So then next part we have to read first in Bhashya first. तस्य प्रजापतेः अर्चतः पूजयतः आपो रसात्मिकाः पूजांगभूता अजायन्त उत्पन्नाः. From that Prajapati who was doing his archanam etc., water came out. Apah, rasatmikaha, pujanga bhutaha, aja. Because jalam is required for all puja. Apa is must. In Veda mantra that apova idagam sarvam. There is a mantra. Vishwab apova idagam sarvam vishwa bhutanyapa pranava apa पशवापो अन्नमापो अमृतमाप सम्राडापो विराडाप स्वराडाप छंदागिष्यापो ज्योतिगिष्यापो यजुगिष्याप सर्वमाप सर्वा देवता आपो ओम. Everything is apa. Rig, Yaju, Sam, whatever you know, everything is Jalam. So that is apa stuti, everything is Jalamaya. Pujanga bhuta ajayanta utpanna. So somebody is asking a question. ननु तैत्तिरीयकाणाम आकाशादि सृष्टि रुच्यते तत्कथम इह आपादौ अपाम आदौ सृष्टि वचनम तत्राह. In Taittiriya Upanishad, first Akasha Srishti is given. And here you are saying katham iha apam srishti adau srishti vachanam. What is the pratipadika of apam?
अद्य
Apa. Prathama ekvachan will be apa. Right? Bahuvachanam. Prathama Bahuvachanam. It is Nitya Bahuvachanam and it is Strilinga Shabda. Pratika will be up. Apam Adav Srushti Vachanam Katham Tatraha Atra. So this portion we will see from tomorrow. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.